All right, Chuck, I'm going to take off to the north. Airspace is clear. Oh, that's way better. Look at that. Yep. Yeah, so the witness marks on the fuselage are there for a reason. That confirmed that. Yeah, even hands off the stick, this thing is dead solid. Yep. There is no trim at all needed.
How much power you got on?
50%. Got a nice good altitude. Yeah, that is so nice. And it looks right too. You know, it's scale-wise, the proportions are all right. The other one, the proportions aren't quite right on it to get it to fly right. The one that little Archer that I got painted up with my grandpa's plane, the proportions aren't right. It still looks the part, but this one, when you put the two together, you really realize that this one is way more scale.
So what do you have in there, 2200?
Yeah, it's a 2200 3S in it right now.
So how does it float? Take your power off. That's what it does.
Okay.
Not bad.
No, not at all. Just a little bit of descent, and that's not bad.
Makes it easy to land that way.
Yes. Yeah. Especially now that the elevator's trimmed.
Funny how that...
It's amazing how that might just play into it.
Well, it's a pretty plane in the air. I mean, just like you
It's
say,
got the presence. Yep. It looks right, flies right, looks scale. Yeah, it'll be all painted up over the winter. It'll be white and blue when I get done with it.
Just gonna leave it like it is.
Nope. The other one I have that's the Park Zone Archer. That's getting repainted this weekend to match my grandpa's other plane. Okay, roger that. He's gonna land. So yeah, it'll be black and gold, and it will match his 78 Arrow when I get done with it. So, and this one will match his 66 Cherokee when I'm done.
Sky is clear, by the way.
Okay, roger that. That looks good.
Looks really good. I like the lights on it when you turn.
It's nice that they come pre-installed, you know, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. I think 80% on the aileron and elevator, and 100% on the rudder. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in. Boy, that looks real.
Yeah.
Nice flare. Oh, that was nice. Much better. All right, on the field. All right, we'll see you, friend.